Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am continuing clocks topic. Let's see the first problem in this session. Here the question what he is asking is at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock? At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of a watch point in opposite direction? In opposite direction. Opposite direction in the sense both the hands are 180 degrees apart. Both the hands are 180 degrees apart. Whenever the point is about opposite direction, whenever the point is mentioned about opposite direction, then the angle between two hands of a clock are 180 degrees. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock? We don't know the time period exactly. So, I am considering that exactly at 4 hours x minutes, exactly at 4 hours x minutes, the angle between minutes hand and hours hand is 180 degrees. Now we need to find what is the time period. Here some options are given. Based on the answer we need to go through that particular option. Here first I will write about minutes hand, after that hours hand. Let us take exactly at 4 o'clock. Exactly at 4 o'clock. Our hand will move 4 into 30 degrees. Why? Because for every 1 hour it will cover 30 degrees. For 4 hours it will cover 4 into 30. But whereas coming to minutes hand is only 0 degrees. Why? Because it doesn't starts from 12. Now next one is x minutes. 4 hours are completed, still we left off with x minutes in this particular time period. In x minutes, for every 1 minute, our sun will move half degree, but for x minutes, it will be x by 2 degrees. Why? Because for every 1 minute, it is 1 by 2. For x minutes, it is obviously x by 2. Whereas coming to minutes hand, for every 1 minute, minutes hand will move 6 degrees. Minutes hand will move 6 degrees. For x minutes, x minutes, it will be 6x degrees. So add these two, what you will get. Here it is 120 plus x by 2 and here it is 6x. Now the difference between these two is 180 degrees. Difference between these two is 180 degrees. First, either you can take h minus m is equal to 180 or else m minus h is equal to 180. If you take those two, whether you have to take the positive sign only. 120 plus x by 2 minus 6x is equal to 180. Suppose if you take in this manner, what is this value? Here this value becomes minus 12x plus x, which is nothing but minus 11x by 2. 120 minus 11x by 2 is equal to 180. If you go this value to the right side and then this value comes to the left side, then what will happen? 120 minus 180, that will gives you 11x by 2 is equal to minus 60. You are getting negative sign. So you should not take in this manner. You have to take, if you take h minus m is equal to 180 degrees, you are getting negative value. So you have to take m minus h is equal to 180 degrees. Then you will get positive sign. 6x minus 120 minus x by 2, which is equal to 180 degrees. This value you have to take into consider. 6x minus x by 2. 6x minus x by 2, which is 11x by 2, and this minus 120 goes to right side, that becomes plus 120. 180 plus 120, that value is 300, and then you can do the cross multiplication over here. From this, x is equal to 300 into 2, that is 600 divided by this 11 comes to the denominator, that value is 600 by 11 minutes. You need to convert into mixed fraction. So here it is 11 5s are 55, again 50 is there, 11 4s are 44, still you left over with 6. 54 6 by 11 minutes. X is equal to 54 6 by 11 minutes. Therefore, your required answer will be 54 6 by 11 minutes past 4. That is your answer. 4 hours 54 6 by 11 minutes. 4 hours 54 6 by 11 minutes. At this particular time period, the two hands of a clock are 180 degrees apart, which is nothing but opposite direction. Therefore, your required answer is option D is the right answer for this question. You have to be very much careful about this particular problem. Why? Because sometimes there is a chance of getting negative value. If you are getting negative value, it doesn't mean that you are doing wrong calculation. It means that you have to take, instead of h minus m, you have to take m minus h. That is the only point you have to remember in this case. Is it clear? Here option D is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. See here, at what time between 7 and 8 o'clock? At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock? 7 to 8. At what time? Again, we don't know the time period exactly. Let us take 7 hours x minutes. Let us take 7 hours x minutes. What is the angle he mentioned in the problem? At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock will the hands of a clock same straight line, but not together. Same straight line means there is a chance of taking two angles. One is both are coincide or together, or else both are opposite direction. Here he directly mentions that those two hands are not together. Not together in the sense, obviously those are opposite direction. Therefore, the angle between two hands are 180 degrees. He is not mentioning directly angle between these two. Those two hands are opposite direction. He indirectly mentions that both are same straight line, but they are not together. It means that obviously they are opposite direction, as like in the previous problem. In the previous problem, directly he mentions that both the hands are opposite direction. It means directly that is 180 degrees. But here in this problem, he mentioned in such a way that both are same straight line but not together. Here there is a chance of asking two way of asking the question, but the meaning of this particular sentence is same. In both the cases, angle is 180 degrees. At what time? Let us take the time period as 7 hours x minutes. I will take first h, after that m, exactly at 7 o'clock. Exactly at 7 o'clock. Hours hand will move 7 into 30 degrees, whereas minutes hand is 0 degrees. Whereas coming to remaining x minutes, for remaining x minutes, hours hand will move x by 2 degrees, whereas minutes hand will move 6x degrees. Why? Because for every 1 minute, minutes hand will cover 6 degrees. For x minutes, it will be 6x. Now add these two, what you will get here? 210. 7 into 30, that is 210 plus x by 2, which is equal to, and here the minutes hand is 0 plus 6x, which is equal to 6x. That is equal to, here the angle between these two is 180 degrees. Here I will take h minus m first. Why? Because here the value is looking lengthy. So 210 plus x by 2 minus 6x is equal to 180 degrees, Now if you take this value, what you will get here? Minus 11x by 12, minus 11x by 2. 210 minus 11x by 2 is equal to 180. This minus 11x by 2 goes to right side, it will be positive, and 180 comes to left side, that is also positive. So 210 minus 180 is equal to 11x by 2. Now from this value is equal to 30 degrees. You can do the cross multiplication over here. 30 into 2, 60. 60 by 11 minutes. 60 by 11 minutes is nothing but 11 5s are 55. Still 5 is the remainder. 5 by 11 minutes. After 5 by 11 minutes, the two hands of a clock are straight line but not together. It means that the angle between two hands of a clock are 180 degrees. Therefore, our required time period will be 7 hours. 5 by 11 minutes. 7 hours, 5 by 11 minutes. It means that in the options, 5 by 11 minutes past 7. 5 by 11 minutes past 7. Option D is the right answer for this question. Option D is the right answer for this question. Guys, I hope you understand the difference between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. In the last session, we discussed about 0 degrees. Now, in this session, we discussed about 180 degrees. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.